Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to transpose data from rows to columns or vice versa in Microsoft Excel. Today I will discuss rows to columns, columns to rows. Sometimes we need to switch cells in Excel. You can do this by copying, pasting, and using the transpose option. I would like to share that transpose option can be accessed through various methods. To do so, you need to copy the required cells first, then applies these methods. First method. From Home tab, then paste icon. Second method. By right-click on any cell. Third method. By pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus V then E. Let's see in action. Let's say you want to change this row into column. Select desired cells. Copy cells. This doesn't work if you cut data, so make sure you're copying and not cutting. Right-click on the cell where you want the newly positioned data to start displaying. Under Paste option, click on Transpose. As you can see, your data will flip the other way by simply copying, pasting, and using the Transpose option. If you have a column of data that you'd like to make into a row, the same process applies. Let's change this column back to row. Select column cells. Copy column cells. Right-click. Choose Transpose. You change the column into row. Let's take a look on another example. I have an annual sales summary table. I want to change the all columns into rows and rows into columns. In other words, vertically and horizontally shifting and flipping cells. Select desired cells. Copy cells. Again, don't cut data, just copy it. Right-click on the cell where you want the newly positioned data to start displaying. Under Paste option, click on Transpose. Alternatively, simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus V. A small window will appear. Now press E. By pressing E, Transpose option will be checked. Press OK. Notice, all data is switched. It's totally changed the look and feel of the table. That's the magic of Transpose option. Here is the screenshot of before Transpose. Here is the screenshot of after Transpose. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.